Welcome everyone to your another session of math class. Today we are going to continue with our chapter angles and pairs of angles. We have already completed one objective, that is we have identified interior and exterior points of an angle. Today we are going to do another objective. We are going to identify adjacent angles and complementary angles using our prior knowledge of angles. So our objective for today is students will be able to identify adjacent angles and complementary angles using prior knowledge of angles. The skill that we are doing is identify. This is the same skill we have done in our previous objective. The knowledge is adjacent angles. Okay, we are going to find out what are adjacent angles and we are going to find out what are complementary angles and how to find out them. Okay, very simple objective. This is your recap questions. We'll do a quick recap of what we have done in our last objective. Okay, so make sure that you pause your video here, note down all these 3 questions, okay, and draw this diagram in your notebook. Look at the figure and answer the question. Okay, this is your angle. Okay, these are points given around the angle. Now name of the angle, you have to write down the name of the angle. You have to write down what are the interior points of the angle and you have to write down what are the exterior points of the angle. Okay, so pause your video here. Make sure that you write down all this in your notebook. Alright, now the question, now we'll move to what do you actually mean adjacent angles. ठीक है, adjacent angles का मतलब क्या होता है? So in adjacent angle, the word adjacent, okay, the word adjacent in geometry means next to each other. Geometry में adjacent का मतलब क्या होता है? Next to each other, मतलब जो आजू बाजू में होते हैं. So adjacent angles का मतलब क्या होगा? Adjacent angles means angles that are next to each other. वो angles जो आजू बाजू में होते हैं, those angles are called adjacent angles. Now one thing which is very important in adjacent angles is they share a common side. उनका एक side common होता है. Okay, they share one common side. Okay, if they don't have one common side, they are not adjacent angles. For adjacent angles, they need to have one common side. ठीक है? Now for this given question, we need to find whether the given angles are adjacent or not. Are the following angles adjacent? If not, we have to state the reason. अगर adjacent नहीं है तो हमको reason देना है कि क्यों नहीं है. We will give the reason for angles which are adjacent also. ठीक है? Now we'll move forward. If you will see, this is the diagram. Okay? If you will see, there are many angles given in this diagram also. हमको 2 questions दिए हैं, वो 2 questions में देखना है कि whether they are adjacent angles or not. Okay? Now these are your 2 questions. Okay, question 1, angle PMQ and angle PNN. I need to find out whether these 2 angles are adjacent angles or not. Okay, and these are your steps to build scale. Step number 1, see the 2 angles. I have to see these 2 angles in the figure. So we'll see these 2 angles in the figure. Okay, PMQ कहाँ पर है, यहाँ पे वो देखना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this is PMQ. This is one angle. Now what is our second angle? PMN. Okay, we'll see PMN कहाँ पर है. This is PMN. This is our second angle. Okay, I need to see whether these 2 angles are adjacent or not. So step number 1 done. मैंने दोनों angles को डायग्राम में देख लिया. Second, look, do they have a common side or not? क्या होना चाहिए उनके पास? Common side, right? I told you adjacent angles have common side. So now I have to see whether these 2 angles, that means angle PMQ and angle PMN, they have a common side or not. ठीक है? So PMQ ये रहा. PMQ में if you will see, PM एक साइड है और MQ एक साइड है. ठीक है? For PMN, PM एक साइड है और MN एक साइड है, right? Angles have 2 sides. So PMN में PM और MN है. Now both the angles PM is a common side, right? So they share a common side, and what is the common side for these two angles? PM, right? So they have a common side. Done. Step number 2 clear. We'll move for step number 3. If yes, then they are adjacent. अगर they have a common side, then they are adjacent angles, and if no, then they are not adjacent. So हमको ये केस में क्या मिला? Yes, they are adjacent. Why? Because they have a common side. So I will write for answer number 1. Angle PMQ and angle PMN, they are adjacent angles. Why they are adjacent angles? Because they have what they have? They had side. Which side is common? PM. Side PM, right? As common side. You can write down the answer in your own words, ठीक है? But important क्या है? You have to write down first the two angles का name. If they are adjacent, right, are adjacent, and if they are not adjacent, right, are not adjacent angles, right? And then state the reason. Because they have common side PM, and if they don't have any common side, you will write because they don't have any common side. That's why they are not adjacent, right? We'll go for question number 2 quickly to follow all the steps. Okay. Angle OMQ and angle NMR. These are the two questions. OMQ, पहले हम क्या करेंगे? See the two angles. So first I will see the two angles in the figure. OMQ और NMR फिगर में देखते हैं कहाँ पर है. OMQ ये वाला एंगल पूछ रहा है, and OMR NMR ये वाला एंगल पूछ रहा है. So this angle, okay, and this angle. So we'll see whether these two angles are adjacent angles or not. ठीक है. Step number 1 done. Step number 2 क्या है? Look, do they have a common side or not? ठीक है. So common side है क्या नहीं वो देखेंगे. NMR में NM एक साइड है और MR एक साइड है. OMQ में OM एक साइड है और MQ एक साइड है. So there is no common side, right? Common side नहीं है. So if they don't have a common side, that means they are not adjacent. So how to write down your answer? You will write first the angles. Angle OMQ and angle NMR are not adjacent, right? They are not adjacent angles, right? And why they are not adjacent? Because they don't have any common side. They don't have any common side. Okay, now what do you have to do is look at this side. Okay, pause your video here, write down these two questions and write down these two answers in your notebook. First question was PMQ and PMN. We need to find out they are adjacent or not. They are because they have PM as common. Can you see PM दोनों जगह पे दिया है. Now since we have completed what are adjacent angles, we'll move forward and we'll know what are complementary angles, right? So I gave you a pre-work. I asked you to watch one video and I asked you to complete one test, right? There were only 3 questions, so it was a very simple test. So if you have watched that video, very good. If you have not watched that video, first watch that video in order to understand complementary angles better. So complementary angles क्या होते हैं? Okay, so 2 things are very important for complementary angle. One is sum. Sum में which operation do we have to do? Sum means addition. Okay, so if the addition of measures of 2 angles, मतलब there are 2 angles and when we add these 2 angles हमको कितना आना चाहिए? 90 डिग्री. ना तो 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा ना तो 90 डिग्री से कम. Okay, so the sum of measures of these 2 angles, if it is 90 degree, then these angles are called complementary angles. Okay, now this is the what of complementary angles. But now why only 90 degree, right? बहुत से लोग पूछेंगे भैया खाली 90 डिग्री क्यों, 70 डिग्री क्यों नहीं, 100 डिग्री क्यों नहीं, 200 डिग्री क्यों नहीं, why only 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए लो का प्लस करने के बाद. So we will use the concept of right angle triangle. ठीक है, complementary angles use the concept of right angle triangle. Now what do we know? We know that we have done this already in 6th grade. Sum of all angles of any triangle, right angle हो, obtuse angle हो और acute angle हो, sum of the angles of any triangle, okay, it is 180 degree. तो यहाँ पे if you will see in this triangle A, B and C, okay, if I will add the angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, if I will add all the three angles, मुझे कितना आना चाहिए, 180 डिग्री आना चाहिए. Now one angle I already know, right? Right angle triangle में एक एंगल 90 डिग्री का होता है. So एंगल B जो है it is already 90 डिग्री. 180 में से 90 माइनस कर दो, what is left, 90 is left. तो एंगल A जो बच गया और एंगल C जो बच गया, ये दोनों को प्लस कर कितना आंसर आना चाहिए, 90 डिग्री. That's why complementary angles में क्या होता है, sum of two angles is 90 डिग्री. ना तो 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा ना तो 90 डिग्री से कम. If the sum is 90 degree, then these two angles are complementary angles. Okay, so we use right angle triangle का property to in this complementary angles. Okay, I hope that now you understood what are complementary angles. ठीक है, now this is one question. Okay, this is angle XYZ which is of 40 degree and this is angle ABC which is of 50 degree. So I have written down angle XYZ is 40 and angle ABC is 50. What do I need to find out? Are these two angles complementary or not? Complementary angles or not? And I have to give reason also. ये जो दो एंगल्स दिए हैं ये दोनों एंगल्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स है या नहीं है. अगर है so give reason, अगर नहीं है then also give reason. So how to find out? First, complementary angle use what property of triangle? What is the property of any triangle? That means all the three angles equals to 180. ठीक है. Now दो एंगल्स दिए हैं, this and this angle. What is the end property? That means sum of both. What is the property of complementary angles? Sum of both the angles equals to 90 degree. So I will write directly that property. XYZ plus ABC, ये दोनों एंगल XYZ plus एंगल ABC मिला के कितना होना चाहिए, 90 डिग्री. If they have to be complementary, then they have to be 90 डिग्री, तभी complementary हो सकता है. Now XYZ, what is angle XYZ? It is 40 degree. And what is angle ABC? It is 50 degree. 40 plus 50 90 आ रहा है, right? So therefore these two angles are complementary angles. Complementary angles need not to be together. दोनों अलग अलग भी हो सकते हैं. When you add these two angles, it will be 90 degree. So they are complementary. They need not to be together. They can be separate also. Clear? So write this down in your notebook till here. Okay, copy these two angles in your notebook. Write down what is measurement of angle XYZ and measurement of angle ABC. Write down this question in your notebook and write down the answer. Alright, so this is your question. Look at the figure and answer the question. This is an angle ABC, okay, wherein I have drawn one segment from BO, segment BO. Now there are two angles, right? एक है ABO और एक है OBC. These are the two angles. The measurement of angle OBC is given 48 degree. Alright. Now what is the question here? In the figure, in this figure, angle ABO and angle OBC, okay, are complementary angles. So हमको दे दिया है कि these angles are complementary angles. Okay. If measurement of angle OBC is 48 degree, I need to find out angle ABO. What will be the measurement of angle ABO? Very simple. We will use our steps to build scale to find out the measurement of angle ABO. Okay. Step number 1. Write down the property. So first I have to write the property. What is the property of complementary angles? I will write it down here. Okay. So the property of complementary angle is sum of angles is how much? 90 degree. Right? I am not writing the whole property that the sum of measurement of angles of a complementary angle is 90. It's okay. You can write down this much. हमको सिर्फ ये इतना लिखना है. Sum of angles is 90 degree of a complementary angle of, we will write this also, complementary angles. Right? If they are complementary angles, so sum of angles is 90 degree. So this is done. First step done. Step number 2, substitute the value to form an equation. अभी equation is something we have done in 6th grade और हमने equation को use किया था integers के टाइम पे भी. So equation we will use again to form to substitute the values. So when we will substitute the values, it will become an equation. ठीक है? We'll see. So what are the two angles here? Angle ABO and angle OBC. So I will write down the two angles. ABO. Sum means plus angle OBC. Total कितना आना चाहिए दोनों का? 90 degree. Right? This is the property. Now substitute the value. ABO कितना दिया है? I don't know. So I will write X there. This is what I need to find out, right? And OBC कितना दिया है? OBC 48 दिया है. So I will write 48 here, which will be equals to 90 degree. Now can you see it is an equation, right? Which type of an equation is this? This is an addition equation. What is the opposite operation of addition? Subtraction, right? So I will subtract. Now which number do I have to subtract on both the side? 48 या 90? Always we will subtract the number which is with the variable के साथ में कौन सा number है? 48. So I will subtract 48 on both the sides. So I will write x plus 48 minus 48 equals to 90 minus 48. ठीक है? I don't have enough space, so I am doing it here. Now 48 and 48 cancel हो जाएगा. क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे? सिर्फ x. 90 minus 48 यहाँ पे I am doing. Okay? 90 minus 48. Always show your working note on the right hand side of your page. Now this will be cut 8. Borrow कर दिया 1. 10 में से 8 जाएगा 2. 8 minus 4 4. Answer is 42. Right? So x equals to how much degree? 42. Done. I have solved the equation. Now write down the answer. I have to write down the answer. How you will write down? You will write down the answer as, I need to find out angle ABO. So angle ABO, or I will write down in a proper statement. Okay, the measurement of angle ABO is how much? 42 degree. Done. We'll do a quick recap of what we did. Okay, so first this was the figure and the question asked, these are the two complementary angles. Okay, angle ABO and angle OBC. These are the two complementary angles, whereas OBC is given as 48. I need to find out ABO. How to find out? We can form an equation and we can solve the equation and find out the answer. Okay? So first thing, always write down the property of complementary angles. What is the property of complementary angles? Thing is, sum of angles is 90 degree if the angles are complementary angles. तो हम दो जो एंगल दिया उन लोग को प्लस करेंगे. Answer has to be 90 degree. So angle ABO plus angle OBC equals to how much? 90 degree. ABO दिया है क्या? नहीं. Write X there. OBC दिया है? Yes. How much? 48. Equals to 90 degree. Substitute the values. Now this is an equation. Solve the equation. Plus है means which operation I have to do? Subtract, minus. कौन सा नंबर माइनस करेंगे बोथ द साइड, द नंबर विच इज विद द वेरिएबल. सो 48 इज विद द वेरिएबल, माइनस 48 ऑन बोथ द साइड. क्या बचेगा? 48 and this 48 will get cancelled. 90 minus 48 will give you 42, right? And this is my final answer. X equals to 42. Clear? Make sure that you always follow this step. Step number 4. Write down the answer statement. The measurement of angle EBO is 42. With that, we have completed our today's objective class. I know that it was a lot. We did two concepts today: adjacent angles and complementary angles. And these are some of the questions which are very important when you move to grade 8, grade 9. All these concepts will be there. Okay, so make sure that you go through the video again and again if you didn't understand any concept. Okay, and I will be sending you homework question on WhatsApp. Okay, I will be sharing a PDF file with you in which there are all homework questions, because the board is small, I cannot write all the questions on it. So I will be sharing a PDF file with you. In it there will be all homework questions. Now your instructions on how to write homework questions. Okay, first write down all the homework questions in your notebook. After writing down all the homework questions, make sure that you use your working note to solve the answers. Okay, वर्किंग नोट कैसे बनाओगे? राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ योर पेज में यू कैन ड्रॉ योर वर्किंग नोट एंड सॉल्व द आंसर्स. ओके, फॉलो द स्टेप्स फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द एडजेसेंट एंगल्स एज वेल एज फाइंडिंग आउट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. ओके, बोथ द स्टेप्स आर डिफरेंट. एडजेसेंट एंगल्स के अलग स्टेप्स है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स के अलग स्टेप्स है. सो यूज द स्टेप्स टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर. क्लियर? Make sure that you submit your homework questions by 1:30 PM today. And also class, this is very important, those who are submitting their homework questions, they are marked as present. Those who are not submitting their homework questions, irrespective of you watching this video or not, अगर आप YouTube वीडियो देख भी रहे हो बट होमवर्क नहीं सेंड कर रहे हो, you will be marked absent. Homework questions, if you are sending, you will be marked present. Clear? Thank you so much class.